Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You sign in with your Google account and enable two-step verification. This secures your creator access. Once done, switch to YouTube Studio and opt into Pro features like Premium or Studio Beta when offered, because you need the advanced analytics and upload options. Make sure to upload your logo, banner, and write a concise channel description. These are the first signals viewers use to decide to subscribe. Now create a channel if you haven't, and open Studio for step-by-step setup. You now focus on optimization inside YouTube Studio, upload your first video, add targeted tags and an engaging custom thumbnail so viewers click. Next, configure monetization and membership tiers if you qualify, because that's how pro channels scale revenue. Once done, organize videos into playlists and add timestamps for chapters to improve watch time. Make sure to schedule releases and link your social profiles for cross-promotion. As consistent presentation and timing, you finish by activating advanced tools. Set analytics alerts and run a /B tests on thumbnails so you learn what raises click-through rate. This is why data matters. Then integrate shorts, community posts, and premiere events to diversify reach and keep your audience engaged. Finally, back up original files, resolve any copyright claims, and verify monetization payouts so income arrives reliably. If things go wrong, check permissions and monetization eligibility first. Most problems are settings or policy flags that you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.